walking along looking at the decks to see where previous repairs have been made. Here, here, see the crack right there. More repairs here, 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 here. You can see the homemade paint job here. Look at all of those repairs, high and low, high and low, high and low. Nothing is matched. Looks like somebody attempted to do a non-skid pattern here, not successful. Look at all of that. And we see the same thing up on the bow. We've got other shots of that earlier on our visit. And I'm going to turn around and see if the light will be any better going back the other direction. Maybe not. And we'll come upon where the dinghy davit is and the cradle to hold the dinghy. There's the bow for the dinghy and the stern for the dinghy. And you can see all of these holes that were drilled into the roof. And we just don't know if they were sealed after they were drilled. And the same thing over here with a lot of bird mess and some mildew.